Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigation and routing in Flutter. Whether you just started out or looking to enhance your app with a complex navigation patterns, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of the navigation between race screens to implementing advanced routing techniques that will elevate your Flutter application to the next level. In Flutter, routing involves using our navigation stacks where screens are pushed onto the stack and navigated forward and popped from the stacks to return to the previous screen. This is my VS Code. Here we have basically three screen. Alright. I mean three screen means we have here three tabs, right? And we have the two screen. One is the home screen, and the other one is the second screen, right? Here I'm going to explain how routing works in the Flutter. Um, well, when we go to the one page and we just to push the another page, right? All the pages will add it in the stack, right? When we just push one page, right? Just if I click here, then it will redirect to the next page, right? Then the next page will be stored in the stack memory. Then when we'll just back to the previous page, then it will remove from the stack. Just like in the stack we have the push or the pop operation, here it will be work like that in the Flutter, right? We can consider as we have here one stack memory. Then when we'll pushing the pages in the stack, that will store in the stack. When will be pop from there, then it will pop from there. Okay. Here I just create one fresh project, right? I just clean some code. This is our the main.dat file. Then we have here my home page, the first screen, and we have here one button, right? Here is the press me button. I use as a elevated button here. And for the second page is the everything is same. Just here we have another button here. That will be named as the back button, right? And here we are learning the basic foundation of the routing, right? So I'll look from the page. For the every pages, we'll give them a path. Okay, I give for the home page. Fine, I'm giving the path route, right? The name should be same for the every pages. I'll put it as just the slash, right? For the second page, I will give route slash second. Okay, but the name should be unique for all the pages. Then if you come to the main.dat file, here's one property inside the main material app. Here we can see routes inside this routes. Then we have the key value pair. The first route we have to register here all the route, right? So we can use from anywhere inside our application. First route is inside my home page dot routes. It will be directly access from this object. Then it's key value player. Here we suggestion as well. We can use suggestion as well. My home page. The first one is this one. Okay. I'll put const. Don't care about the error because we get the error. This is showing we have the initial route as well. I make it as my home page that route. The initial route should be this route. I need to put const, then it looking nice, and I have the second route as well. Second page, right? Okay. Then the next thing we have to do here is, we have the everything here. Okay, initial route we have the second page, and first page we have the home page as well. Okay, no need to put home. If we have the route, then no need to give any home for the pages. Okay, first page, then we have the elevated button, then navigator, one function navigator we are using here, that push named. Okay, then the new route should be the first second page, and that route here. Then when we click here, then it will redirect to the second page. Then we need to back as well. Then we'll do put some per. Then I previously mentioned, then when we'll move or we'll push the any skill to the stack, then we have to get back to the original position. Navigator, that to pop, only the pop, right? See, when we'll back to this to the previous page and move to the next page. Okay, this much for the today. I'll explain this routing deeply to the other videos. I'm also planning to explain how we can use routing in our big project, just like we have the too many of the routes, then we are not able to handle like this, right? uh, there in my mind is the go routing. I'll make the separate video for the go routing as well. Okay, this much for the today, and I'll put this code to the GitHub as well. If you need, you can access the code from the GitHub as well. Okay, we'll meet in the next video.